Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. Alright, so I've got this question over here. They're saying find the value of x. You can see x is over here and it's right here and it's also here. Okay, so now to find the value of x here, all what we need to do is to try and form a quadratic equation here. Okay, you don't need to apply the logs. All what you need to do is to form the quadratic equation. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So we shall copy what is here, okay? And then this side, we balance the bases, okay? So this will be like this, and the power 2 will come right here. You know, when we say 2 power 2, it will give us a 4, and then this x is right here, such that when we multiply x by 2, it will be 2x. I guess you understand what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I did on this one. It was like this. So I wrote it in this way, 2 power 2, and x is right here. So 2 power 2 is 4, and the x is here. Following the laws of indices, you can multiply the powers. So this will be 2 power 2x, like this, okay? Of which, if you want, you can write them in this form, 2x power 2, because these two can be multiplied, okay? So this is what I did right here. So once you do that, you write the denominator the way it looks. So that's 2 power x is equal to 3. So after doing this, since we have got a common term, you can see here, here, and here, we can let it be equal to something, okay? So we shall say let y be equal to 2 power x. So people ask that where is this y coming from? No, it's not coming from anywhere. You just let n letter of your choice. If you want, you can say let p is equal to 2 power x, or whichever letter that you so wish, so that you can substitute here and here, okay? So from this stage, the way it will be, we shall have a y. When we substitute this y right here, because we've said let y be equal to 2 power x, we're going to have a y, and then here y power 2. Hopefully you can see this is y power 2 over a y is equal to a 3. You cross multiply, we shall have y plus y power 2 is equal to 3y. Okay, you just cross multiply. Okay, we group the like terms, or putting it in standard form, not really the like term. Putting it in standard form, we shall have y power 2 plus y minus 3y is equal to a 0. Of which here, when we simplify here, let's take it the other side here. When we simplify here, we shall have y power 2, okay, plus, let me copy it the way it was. It was like this. So when we simplify here, we are going to get y power 2 minus 2y is equal to 0. Now we solve for y. So when we solve for y, we're going to factor out y, and we shall remain with this. Y is outside. You can see what I'm doing here. So now from this stage, we shall say y is equal to 0, or y is equal to a 2, okay? So where is this 2 coming from? You just equate y minus 2 is equal to 0, and then you come and group the like terms. This is what you're going to get. Now in the question, if you're able to see, they have told us to find the value of what? Of x, but we found the value of y. So the key point will be this point right here. This is the key point, where we said, let me put it here, where we said let y be equal to 2 power x. This is the key point, okay? So we're going to get the value of y. Remember, we found two values of y. There's y is equal to 0, or y is equal to a 2. These are the two values of y. So we're going to use these two values of y to find the value of x using this equation right here. So we shall say y is equal to 2 power x, or 2 is equal to 2 power x. So now, This one, we can't find the value of x using this one because you're supposed to apply log, of which there is nothing like log 0. There is nothing. So this one, forget. So for y is equal to 0, forget. You just go to 2 is equal to 2x. So we know what power do we have here? It's a power 1. Laws of indices, when the bases are the same, you equate the powers. So x is equal to a 1. X is equal to 1 is the solution. If you want, you can substitute. When you substitute a 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, you're going to have a 2 plus 4 over a 2. So 2 plus 4, it's 6 over a 2, it will give us a 3. And this is what we have right here. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Sichamba Jacob. And bye.